Jillian will take no prisoners.
Grab the weight. I'm going to beat this 14 pounds off of you or you're going to go home. Pauline, get over here. Go!
Well, there she is from the show The Biggest Loser. Tough as nails coach Julian Michaels. She's helped plenty of people lose some weight. Now she's laying out for us the 3 biggest weight loss mistakes that stop us from our goals. So is she right? Let's bring in an expert. Stephanie Mansour's with us, health and fitness expert. You can find out more about her at stepitupwithsteph.com. All right, let's go over and see what you think. Number 1, we think exercise alone is enough, meaning if I'm in the gym, I'm good. Diet doesn't matter as much. Big mistake or not?
That is a big mistake, Mike, and I'll tell you why. Food is fuel. So if you're not properly fueling your body to burn fat or increase energy or give yourself, greater clarity in your mind with mental focus, no matter how much time you spend at the gym, you're not going to get the results that you want. So food is definitely important, and I agree with Jillian on this mistake.
Got it. One I'd heard, you can't outwork a bad diet. I'm sure you agree with that tidbit as well. Here's mistake number 2, that we're taking it too easy on ourselves in exercise. We're babying ourselves too much. Thoughts?
Yes, so this is a big mistake. However, there's a caveat to this, Mike, and that caveat is sometimes I see with my private weight loss clients, their bodies are so taxed. They are stressed. They're overwhelmed. So the last thing I want to do is send them into the gym for a real kick butt workout when they're already, down and out and they just need to rest and relax. So I recommend yoga or Pilates, something a little bit slower if you are doing those intense workouts and not seeing results. Now, on the other hand, and to Jillian's credit, if you think that walking around the block slowly after dinner is going to count for your workout and is going to help you lose weight, you really need to step it up a little bit. And I encourage people to include intervals into those light evening walks. So go for 1 block slow and then speed it up for the next block, or add in some weights and add in strength training to that leisurely stroll. Because if you are doing too little, but you think you're doing enough, you're probably not.
Got it. All right. So toughen up a little bit on yourselves out there. Mistake number 3, we never switch up the workout. That's my mistake. I do the same thing over and over again. Big mistake.
Happy with your body?
What's that?
Are you happy with your body?
I'm bored with the workout. And I think when you get bored, you're a little more likely to go, I think I'll stay home.
Right, exactly. So if you enjoy what you're doing and you're happy with where you're at, then you don't need to change up your workout. But if boredom is, creeping in, then you definitely need to change it up. And also, if you're not seeing results, and Jillian talks about this, if you're not seeing results, change up your workout at least every 2 weeks, because just like if you're in a career and you're going to work every day and you're not trying to get a promotion or work on a new project, you're just going to stay in the same spot. So same thing with your workouts. Even if you're doing something really intense, if you're not getting results, your body's probably used to that workout, and therefore you're not going to see any physical changes in your body. You're not going to lose weight. You're not going to have more energy because your body's used to it. So change it up.
Got it. Okay, so you agree with the 3 big mistakes. Any other tips for us? Come on, it's May. We're going to the beach soon. Help us out.
I know. Spring into your summer body by, thinking about what's working for you. So if you're subscribing to a diet or a workout plan, if something's not working after 2 weeks, it's not meant for you. Change it up. And the other recommendation I have is if you have a weight loss goal or a health goal or an eating goal, cut that goal in half, so that you can prove to yourself that you're able to reach those mini goals, and slowly but surely, slow and steady wins the race. So when you meet those little tiny goals, if your step count is at 10,000 steps a day and you're not hitting it, lower it to 5,000 steps a day, prove to yourself you can hit that, and then increase it slowly as the summer goes on.
There you go. Get some wins as summer fast approaches. Stephanie, nice job. You can check out more Stephanie Mansour at stepitupwithsteph.com. Appreciate it.
Of course.